Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro to charge other devices using the USB-C port. This is a new feature that Apple advertised in the keynote for the iPhone 15s, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how it works. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so the new USB-C port on the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pros this year does allow for a lot of new features, and one of those is to be able to charge other devices and have your iPhone act as a bit of a battery bank in a sense. So in the keynote, Apple advertised that you could charge AirPods or your Apple Watch using this USB-C port, and it sort of uses your iPhone's battery to then convert that into charge for your other devices, such as your AirPods here or your Apple Watch. Now, that's what they showed in the keynote, but as we've found out, it also works on many other devices as well. So I'll show you how that works today, but first we'll start with the AirPods. So what you'll need for this process is, depending on the AirPods model you have, either a USB-C to Lightning cable, or if you've got the brand new AirPods Pro with the USB-C charging case, you'll need a USB-C to USB-C cable. In this case, I have AirPods 3rd generation and it still has the Lightning port on them. So I'll be using a Type-C to Lightning cable for this. And all you need to do is simply plug it into your iPhone 15, the USB-C end, plug that in, and then grab the Lightning end of your cable and plug that into your AirPods. And you can see that it's lit up, suggesting that it's charging. Now, nothing comes up on the iPhone to show that it has been charging, so it's sort of, you don't really know on the iPhone what's happening, but on the AirPods you can see that they are charging well. When you tap them, you can see that it shows up as charging. And the same is true for the Apple Watch. So that's how you do that, and then it will slowly put some charge into them. So that's how you do the AirPods, but it has also been discovered that it also works for a number of other devices, including other phones. So if I bring in this iPhone 12 here, you can see that it has 32% charge. So the way it works is, if you plug in another Lightning iPhone, no matter what state of charge the iPhone 15 has, it will always preference the Lightning phone to charge. However, if you plug in another USB-C iPhone, which in this case is another iPhone 15, it will choose whichever phone has the lower state of charge. So depending on what state of charge the phone has will be decided by which phone gets the charge. So in this instance here, you can see that obviously because this is an iPhone 12, it's a Lightning iPhone, this will be charged no matter what, but it does also have the lower state of charge here at 32%. So all we're going to do is once again use the same cable here. Got the USB-C into the iPhone 15, Lightning into the iPhone 12 here, and we'll just give it a little plug in here in a moment, and you can see that it starts charging. So it starts charging, you can see it says 32% here. It was also given us a notification saying USB accessory, unlock iPhone to use accessories. I have noticed that sometimes that pops up. I'm not sure if that's a bug or whether that's meant to be, but unlocking the iPhone doesn't really seem to do anything at this point in time. But as you can see, it is providing charge to the iPhone 12 here, but once again, nothing is showing up on the iPhone 15 to suggest that it is actually charging in any way. Now, the other way you can charge other devices is you could potentially have an Android phone in the mix. Now, I don't have an Android phone here to demonstrate today, but it has been discovered from what I've read online and some other videos that depending on the phone, depending on the Android phone, it's a bit 50-50 whether the iPhone will charge the Android or the Android will charge the iPhone, because many Androids for many years have also had the ability to charge other devices as well through their USB-C port. So this is Apple implementing a feature that has been around for a little while, but it's good to see it on iPhones. But for Android, you should be able to charge another Android with your iPhone, but it might depend on the manufacturer as to which one actually gets given charge. So yeah, that's a really quick and easy process on how to charge other devices using your iPhone 15 and its USB-C port. Hopefully this was helpful and you've had some great success in using your iPhone 15 like a bit of a battery bank in this sense, and it will be really helpful if you need a quick charge in a pinch. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other video suggestions or requests for information on the new iPhone 15. Check out my channel because I've also done an unboxing as well as a video on how to limit the charging on your iPhone 15 series to 80%. So definitely go and check those out. I'll leave those linked in the description if you'd like to see them. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.